These are really good. Damn. So let's download the app, we scan the code, and then we should be brought to the link. So I'm on Android, so it's Google Play. So that's the manual, and it shows you some of the operations, multi-point connection. That's quite nice. So you can connect to a phone and another device at the same time, because I know some devices can't do that. And then we've got how to use them, how to do a factory reset. So basically you hold both the volume in order to reset them. You hold that down 10 seconds, or the light flashes over there 3 times red. So the app is downloaded. So we agree, then we click next. And what you need to do is register an account with them. So let me go ahead and then we can carry on with the video. So I've registered, logged in. Now it's asking for notifications, allow. So here we go. Let's start by adding a device. We add a device. So what we need to do is switch on the headphones. So the power button is there. So we just hold that down and the light comes on and it says power on. There was a little voice coming out of there. The app has now detected the QCY H3 PRO, so those are them. So that was quick. So now it says it's pairing. You can see it flashing white and red over here. Then the phone asks if you want to pair, you say pair. So now it says connected, the light's gone off. It says the battery level is 100, the Bluetooth volume is there. So if I go up and down, that will be the Bluetooth volume. So that's there. Please allow pop-ups. So it's asking for pop-ups with this, so we can say okay, then we can go back. So that's there. You can go to sound, so you can have default sound, spatial sound effects, pop, heavy bass. You can go across rock, soft, classic. So it's got some preset equalizer sounds, which is quite nice. Noise cancelling, so you've got noise cancelling here, transparency and normal. So noise cancelling is quite nice. That's also got a button on the side over here, which is the ANC, so that's over there, so you can press that. Then left and right channel, so that's over there. Settings, so we've got this, volume up, volume down, find headset, so you can press that and it should find it. If you ever lose them, you can see where they are, so that we can say while using the app. Then we've got beeping volume, we've got your timed power off, disconnect power, gaming modes, you can put that on, so I want to test the latency on that. Then your LDAC switch, your dual device connection, so you can do that. And there's also firmware updates, so that's quite interesting, so that you can update the firmware of the headset, so that's cool. More settings, so we've got rename device, reset to default, delete the pairing, and device info. So that's in the app. At the bottom you've got discover, so you can obviously find out what other products they have, and then me, and that would be my account that I've just set up. So that's all there. So that's the device. We can change the function of the buttons here, so you can assign them to different things. So that when I touch volume down, it will do volume down. If I do volume up, it will do volume up. Then multifunction, so you've got all these different settings that you can change, which is really cool. And then over here it's got a play button, a music note. So if I push play, and it's playing my last song on Spotify, I can hear it here. So that's very cool. So that's the app, and that's them getting connected. Then we've got your USB-C over here, so that's for charging. Then your auxiliary, so that can connect. What I'll do is I've got the cable here, I want to connect that to my microphone so I can hear myself through the microphone. And there's the mic there for calls, volume up and down, power. And what's nice about these is you can lay them flat like so, which I do like, so it does save space, or you can fold them up like so. So that's really cool. So that's nice. It's got a bit of movement here for each ear to make them comfy. You've got the size there, different numbers there, and on the other side as well. Nice spongy top, and also the ear protectors are nice and spongy as well. And then you've got your right and left, so I would be putting it on like so, and everything's controlled on the right headphone. So I've put these on now, and I'm going to test some music with the Bluetooth, and they're really comfy, and already I can hear less sound just from the way they fit over your ear. So they do fit right over your ear, so that's nice. You don't get that pressing feeling like some of the other headphones you get where it presses on your ear against your head and that. So your ear fits right inside these, and it's very comfortable, nice and soft. The top padding is nice and soft, and you can see I've got quite a big head, so I'm using quite a bit of the spaces here. And overall they look quite good. They don't seem to jiggle around too much, they don't come loose. So that's good. So very nice. So what I'll do is I'll put on a song which is connected to the phone that I was setting everything up on, and I will play that and just see what they like and what the sound is like and the volume and everything. And it's obviously difficult to report back on a camera like this, but I'm playing a song now and it's very clear. Wow, very clear. And the bass, wow, it just feels so smooth and clean. These are really good. Damn. Let me go choose another song with a bit more bass and beat in that. But this is all instrumental, guitar, voice. Wow, it's very clear. Very impressive. So this is Faithless. So I want to hear the build up. And you can sort of feel the vibration from when the bass starts kicking in. And it just feels like it's right in the middle, the sound. It's perfect. Let me check the volume, how loud this is. So the volume is just over half, if I show you there. Very nice. No distorting. The treble's good. You can hear like nearly everything that's in the song. So the ANC button is down here and the volume is back here on the right, and the power button's just above it. So it's easy to reach. And if I press ANC, the lady's voice comes on saying ANC on or ANC off. So now it's off and I can sort of hear some stuff going on, but not really. So ANC's on now and it's just the music. If I can't hear the fan on the PC, these are good. And they're so comfortable. It doesn't feel like anything's on my head, and it's just like contained. Everything's contained. The sound's like inside my head. It's so clear. Wow. I really want to test these with the microphone, so I'm going to be setting that up now. So I've unplugged the headphones now and I've put them down. And on the phone, you can see over here, it says nearby Bluetooth headsets are connectable. So it's picking them up, but they're not on, so I haven't connected them yet. So that's a cool little notification from the app. And then I turned them on and that's what it's showing now, 100% battery. And a few little options there. So if we click the little arrow down, we can see it says that, play, ANC, transparent, or customize. So if we press it there, that play, ANC's gone off. Now it's playing a song. So that's cool. We can put that hopefully back on. There we go. So that's all controllable from here as well, not just on the side of the headset. So what I'm doing now is I'm connecting these to my PC. So I've got Bluetooth and the headphones now say connected. And then I've got this headphone, but this tests surround sound on headphones. So going from left to right like a barber. I'll play this and see how the headphones actually respond to left and right. So the lady's talking. So now I've got a guy talking in my ear. To my left, he's over here now and he's fiddling with some bottles and stuff and mixing things, and he's moving over back to the left, to the right, left. They're very responsive. Wow. Cutting my hair with scissors. So he's here, he's right by this ear, it feels like. Now he's here, now he's here, now he's here. It's really responsive and it's really moving to where he is. It's very accurate. So let me stop that. So that's good. And that's through Bluetooth through to the PC. So that's a very good connection. So I'm going to try the auxiliary now on the microphone. So now I've got these headphones in and I can hear myself talking because I've got the microphone on. So that's there and it's picking up my voice. As you can see, the lights are moving as I talk. So that's there. I plugged it in the top over here. The other earphones are not plugged in, so that's those. And yeah, they very clear, so I can hear everything. And then, so those are now my default speakers. So if I play that barbershop again, very good. Wow, yeah, so that's playing. So I'm playing that and that's coming through the auxiliary and I can hear myself feeding back into the mic, so I can hear when I talk for videos and that. So very good. Wow, I'm very impressed with these. Also wanted to show how versatile these are because they're Bluetooth. I connected them to the TV. So this is an LG TV, and there where the cursor's moving, those are the headphones connected via Bluetooth. So I was watching some TV earlier. Yeah, they worked really well. So what I want to test here is the sound is playing in my ear with the video on the phone that's what I connected with. Now I want to see the lip syncing with the sound to see how accurate these headphones are with regards to any latency or lag. This is quite good. Wow, there's no lag. Oh wow, yeah, these are very good compared to some of the other headphones. You can actually notice the lag between their mouths moving and the sound, but this is very good. And then to see with gaming, so we'll see, so as I press the buttons, the sounds are coming through fine. Yeah, I'm not experiencing any lag. Let me just see the sound. Very bassy on some of the sound effects. Wow. So this is, yeah, this is quite good. Yeah, very responsive. Wow.